we were in college, we used to watch the World Series of Poker. Now, if you've never watched this, like we have access to, cameras everywhere. So like there's no guessing with the consumer, I should say, the person watching, right? Like there's absolutely zero chance that anything can change. But I mean, we would watch this religiously when we were in college for hours. And a very, very dear friend of mine who you will all get to meet next Thursday at the company-wide sales meeting, Brock Coyle, gave me a book for my birthday called Thinking in Bets. And it's a book written by Annie Dukes, who is arguably one of the most famous former poker players in the world. But she wrote this book, Thinking in Bets, to teach you to make smarter decisions when you don't have all the facts. The law of averages, probability, any sort of crazy wild math law that exists out there. These are all things you have to consider. So let me ask you, in today's world, do you have all the facts? So going all in has sort of been a theme for Tom Ferry over the past few weeks. His follow-up the other day was, who do you need to hire to allow yourself to stay in your wheelhouse? Now, I define wheelhouse as sort of our income producing activities, the things that we're really, really good at that only you can do, right? Keep that in mind. Only you, the agent, can do. That's your wheelhouse. Now, some areas we might have a wheelhouse that's bigger than other agents, or I'm more comfortable in a certain area that is more income producing. However, maybe giving up the paperwork would allow you an opportunity to expand and live more into your wheelhouse, or even the marketing department, right? Shameless plug for our marketing folks, because no, you're exactly right. Like you can make a flyer in Publisher, just like the receptionist down at the Indie down the street, right? But like, we get it. You're good at marketing. Or you can simply remove that off your plate so you can do what? Be all in your wheelhouse, right? Doing the thing. So I refer to them as IPAs, not necessarily the beer, but again, income producing activities. We don't want to just sit there and let lead flow come and go because everything's good. And, I got crazy closings for the next 3 to 4 months, but rather let's continue to develop those relationships. Let's continue to get that lead flow and build that funnel, right? Like the funnel that we've always talked about. Let's work harder than we ever have today for the next 2 years. Again, this is to Tom's point. So you don't have to 5, 10, 15 years down the road. Building the foundation, continuing to develop your skill set are all keys to success. So we don't know what tomorrow brings from a real estate housing market. We all have our theories, but we do not have a crystal ball. Rates are going to go up. Rates are going to go down. Rates are going to stay. It changes more every single day than you and I just changing our damn underwear, right? So, but we can all agree that the better we are, the more consistent, keyword consistent we are, the safer we will be regardless of the market. Todd is always quick to remind agents of this one thing. I believe he got it when he was newer into the industry, but someone had told him years ago, listen, I don't care if the market's up. I don't care if the market's down. As long as the son of a gun is not flat, there are buyers and there are sellers. There are people who have to sell, and therefore there are people who have to buy. What we don't want to see is just being flat. So let's go all in on some of those areas of your business. Let's go all in on some of those areas that you've had success, that you want success, that you need success. Get better at it every single day. Practice it every single day, and you will eventually be bulletproof. But going all in today might not affect your bank account 2 weeks from now. It might not affect your volume 3 months from now. But it sure as heck will push you down the road from a comfortability standpoint where you can just simply walk into a room, own it, and just simply say, I'm here to help you. I'm going all in on your personal success, your personal skill set, your personal training regimen, if you will. Go all in, do it every single day, not just on the days that you want to show up. So guys, thank you so very, very much. I wish you all an amazing week, great successes, all of the things. Let's go out there and get those IPAs, y'all. IPAs. And yes, some of you like your beers, but an IPA, income producing activities, let's go get them.